We are live. How's everyone doing? I ask to the void. Great. The void calls back, and I say, who are you? And now we just sit here. Oh, shit. Hey, Anna. How's it going? You're the first here. Okay. Duck eat duck? No. Why would this happen? I'm sorry, duck. Hey, Slightly Unsure. Slightly Unsure says, hi? I don't know. Thank you, everyone. Welcome in. It has been a minute. It has been absolutely a minute. There's a hype train beginning. There's lots of people. It's awesome. I've set up music on a separate track. Let me know if you can hear it. Starts playing. I'm going to have it quiet, but I feel like I need the vibe. Yes. Oh, all right. Guys, we've got audio tracks going. We have a camera. My microphone is on. Dear God, it's almost as if I'm live on Twitch. Thank you so much for all the subs, guys. I appreciate it. And I'm drinking out of a little straw today. I think it's a big suction day, to be honest. I think it's just a day where I'm just going to create a lot of suction. Someone says, I finally made it. I've watched almost every one of your videos on YouTube. You're funny as hell. Thank you so much. Come back when you've watched them all. Appreciate it. How am I? I'm pretty good. I'm in LA. Where am I saying Stanley? Oh, does it just say Stanley on it? Shout out. Actually, maybe not. I'm not sponsored. I'm drinking it this way from now on. It was a free little thing that came in the Airbnb, which was very sweet. That or it was here and they forgot about it and I stole it. One of those two. I swear to God. I don't know. Stanley left this for me. It has to mean something. But yeah, I've been in LA. It's been awesome. I went to an arcade last night with Ranboo and Moonsy, and I think we spent 3 hours playing Monster Balls, where we just kept swiping a card and hitting a button and dropping Monster Balls. It was freaking awesome. It was freaking epic. Okay, let's see. How's it going? Oh yeah, Monster Balls goes hard, guys. Big ups to Monster Balls. I haven't streamed in a minute, and I almost asked, what have you been up to? I don't know what I was expecting. Just like complete immediate chaos. Guys, I'm sick of you asking about me. All I do is be a streamer and get up here and inflate my ego with a big pump full of views. So why don't you tell me how your week was? In 3 words or less. 3 words or less. 4 words or less. And then I'll read some out. Here we go. 4 words or less. Good, had class. Very good. Class is important to have. Bad without you. Oh, Parasocial. At the dentist the whole time. What is wrong? How in there is that tooth? They've tried everything. I'm very gay. Just this week, though. Next week, who knows? Who knows what surprises it'll hold. Let's see. Watch Prime Defenders. Awesome. Oh, I'm so glad you saw it. Oh, I fucking love that show. I'm in it. Let's see. Very, very tired. I cried. Had a spider infestation. Oh, I'm so sorry. I've been there. I saw a roach last night. That was pretty cool. Here, you want to see this? Look at this shit. I know you might think a spider infestation is pretty scary, but check this out. Check this out. I mean, why don't you take that thought sausage and chew on it? That was a big roach. Went ER, Jack Manifold? Jack Manifold sent you to the ER? Oh no. Are you a creator? Did you clash with him? Big mistake. Do not clash with him. That's insane. I'm sorry you got fully skinned by Jack Manifold. Happens to the best of us. How big is the new hype train? Almost 6 cars. It's full of coal. It's full of steam. It's full of water. It's full of... What else do... Uranium? It's full of uranium in this next car? It's got every source of energy. It's powered by all of it. I nuked Cuba. Oh. I have not been keeping up with the news. So hungry. What game you play? What game you play? Oh, I see we're reaching that part of the stream, are we? Where I begin a transitionary phase between the chatting and the gaming. Now this is very... Yeah, there's a school desk behind me, okay, for my assignments and my readings and my cursive lessons, because it might be coming back, and when it does, I'm going to be at the top of the heap. So, without any further ado, I fucking hate cursive, dude. I'm sorry, I can't even read that shit. I feel like I spent like months in school trying to figure that out, and now all I do when I sign is like genuinely a randomly generated scribble and then a happy face. That's all I do. I'm sorry. That's all I ever do. Thank you so much, guys, for the subs. So here is what's going on. You can read. Yeah, if I already know what the words are. Today, we are going to be playing a difficult game.